Traders, Anthony here. I posted these into VIP last night. 5 trade setup. I'll show you that. I did this video and we had these trade ideas here, 5 of them. Entry, stop loss, TP, etc. What I want to do in the video is explain the plan, the strategy behind these 5 trades. As it were, I ended up closing the basket of trades before I went to bed in profit. It's what I generally do at the end of the day, as I don't sleep well if I have trades running. Occasionally I'll leave some open if I've pulled a stop loss into profit, but it was a profitable day yesterday, and let's have a look and see what these look like as we entered these trades. So I'll just run from the top down, mark them in red here on the right. You can see the bottom line here with these is the stock market was overextended, and I could see that there was a potential retrace setting up, and I used the stock markets as a leading indicator. I'll show you that quickly. And it's got these lines on here, but yesterday these were trading up here, daily level, and I was looking for that. Trading up here, daily level, and I was looking for that. Again, same thing here. We had this retrace here as well. So looking at these yen pairs and dollar pairs, my thinking was we could capitalize on a short opportunity. So the first thing I did was I came in and had a look at 4-hour chart. And what I'm looking for is, at that point, lower lows, lower highs, I should say, break of structure bearish. We're trading out of the cloud here. See, the break of the cloud was here. So I'm looking for that. And continuation on the 4-hour time frame. So we'll just run through quickly these 4-hour time frames, and then we'll come back to the lower time frame and I'll explain my entry. This was the same story pretty much. This was yesterday here. So we had, lower lows, lower high, lower low. Break of structure was here. This had pulled up into here, and I was looking for that, basically. Euro yen, pretty similar setup. We'd pulled back, and I'm looking for that, basically. As you can see, it's trending down, lower lows, lower highs. Euro dollar, same thing. This was the pullback yesterday. So we'll go down now quickly to the lower time frame, and I'll give you my entry criteria. So on the 5-minute, probably have a look at it 15-minute. So this is a 1-hour order block, bearish order block. We traded into it. We had this fake out, spiked up, shake out, and I'm good to go short. Opportunity to take profit was here and here. The other thing you want to keep an eye out for with this is institutional levels. Now, we didn't actually have that in here, but I did like these this double top and this spike up. That's an obvious stop run, in my opinion, as it were. The opportunity to close a couple of them here and also here. Here's another opportunity. Look at this today. Asian range into the London Open, fakey, shaky. Okay, I'm really looking for these daily institutional levels, daily, weekly, and monthly. All right, so we've got an hourly order block, another hourly order block up here. We've got this daily level here, and I'm always looking for the break above the daily level, especially around these session times as the London Open. I like that, so I've actually shorted this today. I've sent this into VIP. There's a particular setup with this. We've also got this 4-hour order block above. So there's a bit of a gap here between current price and this 4-hour order block, so we could see a bit more upside. In any case, I've sent the signal in with my levels, and that's pretty obvious. Anyway, coming back to having a look at these yesterday's signals, the Euro Yen, okay, have a look back here, daily, pull that through. Always looking for these institutional levels, and I want to see price more or less trade through them more than anything. We didn't really get that. We got it here, but what we tend to do is mark up this range. So we have this range daily levels here, and I'm looking for the push into this range. There's resistance. I would have liked to have seen it spike through there. In any case, it didn't. It gave us this opportunity. This was the entry point here. Opportunity to close in the money here and here. Euro Aussie, this was a buy. Same thing again, it's a Monday, and Mondays we're generally going to see the market push a little bit beyond where we think it's going to go. Friday, Monday, we get this strong manipulation in general where they spike it into liquidity and then trade it in the opposite direction after that. Again, we've got this daily and daily spiked under, and I was pretty happy to take that and run with it. As it were, it actually traded back down took out liquidity under here, and then we had the opportunity to close this trade up here. CAD yen was a sell. This one was a bit short-lived. We had a little spike down. Again, it's the same thing. Like we've got, this is let me just show you this. I mark up these higher time frame distribution and accumulation zones. Here we go, daily. And I'm always looking for the reaction through these levels. Show you what that is quickly. We'll go out. Okay, so we've got the daily time frame. Okay, have a look at this green candle prior to these red bearish candles here. I mark up the high and the low of that, pull it across, daily distribution. 4 hour, same thing. See this red move here? Okay, the last green candle, pull it across, 4 hour. Distribution level, balance area. So I'm looking for the opportunity through this level, and in fact we actually have this daily institutional level here, this yellow line, so we pull that through. Then down on the lower time frame, I'm looking at generally a 5-minute, 3-minute chart, but we'll have a look at this on the 15th. So we've got everything marked up here. So CAD yen, why did we take this trade? Well, this was the London Open. We traded up through this monthly. We've got this daily. So we've got this range between the daily and monthly. I'm looking for the opportunity between these levels. Okay, it coincides with the low of this daily order block and the high of this 4-hour order block. We've got another daily level here as well. All right, so this is the range. I'm looking for the opportunity. I'm wanting to see this rotate in here within this, especially this 4-hour order block here. Daily is fairly wide, but we've got a narrow window with this 4-hour. As it were, look, see, we see fake out, shake out, and then the trade. In any case, very brief window of opportunity here and another one here to take profits. And let's see how we go with this if we trade further south. Last one was the Aussie yen. Same thing, I mark up these higher levels. Here the daily and 4H nested. Same thing I'm looking for. It's all the same story. We've got this range, fake out. Well, I got in a little early. I got in around here. In fact, I'll get closer to this because I was looking at this on a 5 and a 3-minute time frame in here. And then that was the entry on this pullback. Right, so let's just go down, and this is the last one. I'll show you this. There's method to the madness. It's not just blindly trading, hoping for the best. We have a strategy. See these red dots? I'm going off these on the lower time frame. We've got all this divergence going on. All right, so that's one thing. The second thing is the fakey shaky. Okay, so into the London Open, we get that. Fake out, shake out. I could have entered here based on that. I didn't. And then we had this move here up into these. See these two levels here, the daily. Got these two daily levels here, institutional levels. I really want to see price move to these levels before I get involved. So you got these two levels here. You've got this one, which is a weekly. So this is the range again, and it's within this 4-hour order block. I'm looking for the opportunities. Then we get this range, pick out, and then I came back in on this. That was my call right here. Generally speaking, that, especially when you see it trending, is going to give us, but being Monday again, give it the extra push. There's your opportunity now to take profit. So on the 5-minute chart, there's the opportunity to close, especially when we see this green dot. So that's a quick recap of the trade ideas I sent into VIP yesterday. Again, jump on board, go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Have a look at this. We trade your Forex account. Check that out. You can click on these widgets. You can watch that video. Click on the widgets here, have a look. Over to the store. Is that a coffee and cake? Or a hamburger? Or at least, if you want to try it for 1 month, show me lunch, guys. Yeah, I mean, do the math. I think you'll find there's nothing like this out there anywhere. This is an incredible opportunity. Snap it up. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.